So hey guys, I think it's probably worth it to go the extra 12-hour trip south here, because Nha Trang has some beautiful weather here. Let's go and check the beach, my first day here. Calm weather, calm waves. It's pretty shocking, the difference here. Wow. And a very big beach to spread out if you want to walk or go down further here where there's not that many people. So hey guys, here's a little bit further down the beach. You can see the weather's stunning as compared to Da Nang. Now, from what I read on the internet, it seemed like the beaches were similar, but this, well, I guess the weather is completely different at this time of year. Now, whether that's true in the summertime, I'm not sure as to whether it's better in the summer. Probably Da Nang is better in summer, you know. I barely saw the sun there. There was basically just clouds there. So this is looking a lot better. Got plenty of room to spread out. It's well developed here. We have like a shopping center over here. Some nice condos, resorts around, as well as boutique hotels that are a bit cheaper here. That's interesting. They also have, looks like, cruise ships over here, as well as an island off the coast here. Hey guys, check out this room over here in Nha Trang. It's the room itself is actually kind of nondescript, but you can see that the view they gave me here, it's kind of obscene. It's very nice. Well, it's gorgeous, you know. Hey guys, you can see we've got some windsurfers down here. First time I've seen this, actually, I guess just because the wind has picked up here. And as you can see, it's not as busy as you would find over in Thailand in high season. I don't know why there's not that many people here, but it's definitely not crowded here. The weather's gorgeous. It's about 82 degrees, so it's just right. It's not hot or cold here. Here's the water. You can see the surf is kind of rough here. Let's take a walk a little ways out here. I don't want to get my phone wet. And you can see over there to the right is the island Vin Pearl there. And you've got this massive cruise ship over there. Let's see, that maybe that's Carnival here. Let's see if we can take a look and find out. So what you'll notice over there is that you've got this island, and you've got the cable car going across the island, and on the other side the park over there. And then you've got hotels along the strip here. And I'll be showing you guys the hotels here in a few minutes. There you can see it's quite a spread. Now, not a huge number of hotels, but you've got a good selection. You've got the Radisson and all the major American luxury brands over there. Here's what looks to be some kind of a beach club they're tearing down. Or maybe that's just a really old hotel there. And you got this little park here that's kind of pleasant. If they would tidy up the palm fronds here. So there's a little resort down here. Not sure what this place is called. It's a nice looking. Got little bungalows here. So this area, you can see, got some parks around here. It's less developed than the northern part of the island here. So if we go north, then you've got a bunch of 5-star hotels over there. No swimming sign, but that is not really enforced here. And this place right here was some kind of a night market. They just took it down the other day. So check this out, guys. There's a hotel over there. It's called the Vanda Hotel. That's it right there. It's very, very cheap. I think it's the cheapest price you can get over here in Nha Trang. And then over here, I think that's the ferry terminal that you can get for like 50 cents. Or there's a little, you can see that little boat going across. I think those are the ferries there. Yeah. Going back and forth there, you can, no problem, just walk over there. I'll probably do that, maybe I'll do that tomorrow. And take a hike around the island here. And we've got this little town center over here that is kind of pretty far off from Nha Trang. This must be a mile and a half, 2 miles, something like this. So I'm going to walk back in the other direction now, and we're going to check out the center of Nha Trang. And then the other side is probably going to be a couple miles, maybe 3 or 4 miles to the end. And I've heard that there's some development. If you go across the river over there, there's some things on the other side as well, right? So you got this long strip of land here. Maybe a little more crowded the further down we go. And what I'm going to show you in a few minutes here is that there's a good amount of development here. I mean, there's some shopping centers and things like that, but it's not too big. So here's a nice park over here. You can see the trees are pretty attractive. Let's see. And then you got this shopping mall over here, Vincom Plaza, which is, it's not very big, but it does have a supermarket and a Starbucks. If you want to go to Starbucks there, there's actually 2 Starbucks in town. There's Vincom Plaza, and on the back of this you've got apartment complex there. And then further down, keep going this way, you've got the 5-star hotels, which I'll get to in a little bit. The other direction tends to be the more boutique hotels or cheaper price hotels. Here we've got what looks to be an Asian branded 5-star hotel called Mung Tang Nha Trang, whatever that means here. A little bit further down, we've got the Novotel, which is, let's see, this one over here. So you got some pretty nice looking buildings over this way. Nicely landscaped parks here. Here we have a nice building. Oh wow, I know what this is. This building here, it's the pool with the clear glass on top of it there. You can see that pool at the top there. It's a 5-star hotel with a pool that is cantilevered off the top of the roof there. And over here we got some kind of a monument here. Lotus statue of some sort. And at the center, you got the flag here. So here we have a little outdoor market. Let's take a walk down here. Hats, dresses. There's the Hyatt, guys. That's a big hotel there. Big American branded Hyatt Regency. Of course, what you're going to find out is that the price is the same as American, or maybe slightly less, like probably going to be $100 to $200 a night, so it's intended for Western tourists who just want that, just that type of experience there, and not, say, the local price of $10 or less. So down here it's more the same, and I'll take you guys a little bit further down, and then we can go back to the room. So here we go, back on the beach here. You can see the surf is big today, and it's coming up. I guess it's high tide here. Let's see. So if we go in this direction, you can kind of see that you've got some more buildings down there. The beach probably goes on for another mile or something like this. And then there's some kind of a concrete walkway there, bridge over the river, and then some mountains in this direction here.